Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the boyfriend from the Friday Night Funkin' Twinsomnia mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a large C curve, and then extend it out at the bottom like this. Now at the bottom, let's draw the ear with a curve. Now inside, let's add a curve at the top, and then another curve going the other way at the bottom. Now let's add the bangs of the hair. Let's move up to the top and let's draw a curve down, and then back up. And now one more piece going towards the ear. And lastly, one curve down to the ear to close it off. Next, let's draw the face. Let's start with the eyes. Inside in the top left, let's draw an oval like this. And then color it in black. And then one more down to the right next to the hair. Next, below, let's draw a large U shape for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Let's finish drawing the hair now. On the left side, near the eye, let's draw a curve outwards. And then from the end, let's curve it back up and in. Now from the end, another curve out to the left. And then bring it back in, stopping here. For the next piece, let's curve it up and then bring it back down like this. And then another smaller piece next to it. And then a curve pointing downwards. And then one more large curve back down to the ear. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start with drawing the right arm. Underneath the head on the right, let's draw a diagonal line down. And then the other side of the arm to the left. Now close it off at the bottom by connecting the two lines. Now at the end, let's add a curve for the hand. Now let's hop over to the left side and let's draw the other side of the body. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back over to the other arm. Next, let's draw the right foot with a large oval on an angle under the body here. And then the other foot with an oval on the left side. Now let's connect the feet to the body by adding the legs. Let's start under the right arm and let's draw a curve down and then over to the foot. And then a short diagonal line for the top of the leg here. Now for the left leg, let's add two diagonals to the foot. One at the bottom, and then one from the shirt. Now let's add the left arm by drawing a diagonal line on the side here. And lastly, let's add the shadow under the body. Let's draw a large oval shape underneath. And then color that shadow in black. And that's it for this cute boyfriend. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!